The Boy Who Dreamed of the Stars. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Alex who lived in a small village at the foot of a mountain. Alex was an imaginative boy who loved to gaze up at the stars at night, dreaming of what lay beyond. One night, as he lay on the grass watching the sky, he saw a shooting star streak across the sky. In that moment, he made a wish to one day explore the universe and travel among the stars. From that day on, Alex dedicated himself to studying science and math, determined to one day make his dream a reality. But many people in his village thought his dreams were foolish and teased him for being too ambitious. Despite their doubts, Alex refused to give up. He spent countless hours reading books, studying astronomy, and working on complex calculations. He knew that the road ahead would be long and challenging, but he was willing to work hard and persevere. Years passed, and Alex's hard work paid off. He was accepted into a prestigious university, where he continued to pursue his studies in astronomy and space travel. Finally, after years of dedication and sacrifice, Alex's dream was within reach. And then, one day, Alex made history. He became the first person from his village to go to space, fulfilling his lifelong dream of exploring the universe and traveling among the stars. As Alex gazed out at the endless expanse of space, he realized that anything was possible if he was willing to work hard and believe in himself. And so, he continued to explore the universe, always dreaming of the next adventure that lay ahead.